What's up,
AK
AK
family?
We are super excited about this video today because we get to show you some of our favorite cruising products. In our videos, from time to time, you ask about what we like to take on our cruises, what we like to pack with, what we like to do, what our must-have cruise products are. Today is the first of many videos where we get to show you some things that we love to use.
But we're gonna do a Uno reverse on you guys. So today we're not gonna show you products that you can take on a cruise with you. We're gonna show you some products that you can have at home that make you feel like you're on a cruise.
That's right.
I wish I was on a cruise right now.
Yes.
What about you?
Yeah, I do.
But unfortunately, we all can't cruise 24/7, 365. If we could, we would, but we can't. So today we are super excited to be partnering with Norwegian Cruise Line for this video. We are going to be showing you all their new home line called Lifestyle by Norwegian. So I don't know if you all can relate to this, but when you go on a cruise, there are some things about that cruise that you just want to take home with you.
Oh, yes.
One thing in particular that we have, I always love it so much whenever we're on a cruise ship. And I'm like, I wish that I could have this at home. And now you can.
Oh, yes.
Now you can.
Yes.
So let's get into it. Look at this big old box.
Yeah.
Lifestyle by Norwegian.
Pretty big.
Let's open it, check it out, see what's in here. Let's do it.
Yes.
All right. We're trying to fit in the frame here. You guys see this? Cruise comfort is coming home.
Oh, yes.
So, just look at this. Look at this, you guys. We're going to show you all of this good stuff in here.
Good stuff.
Let's get to it.
The first thing that Lifestyle by Norwegian sent us is this beach towel.
Yeah.
Yes. So, if you have a pool at home and you have access to a pool, it's nice and warm outside, you have a nice, comfortable, soft towel that you can lay down with, or you can dry yourself off with here. And it feels good. Feel it.
I felt it.
It feels real good.
It does feel good. The size of it is 30 inches by 60 inches. And Aaron, you're so funny. Another time you would need a beach towel is when? We're at the beach.
See, Kara said that because I don't particularly like being in the sun because it'd be too hot. But you can be at the beach with this towel.
Yes.
But it's a nice, soft towel.
So you just have the blue and white stripes. And I think blue is one of Norwegian's main logo colors. Right. So you have that branding. But it would have been nice to have seen like a logo or something like that on the towel. But, so that's the first thing.
It's a nice, high quality towel.
It is a nice towel. I just want to go to my favorite thing.
Okay.
I can't wait. I want to go to my favorite thing out of all of this.
Okay.
Look at this. A sheet set, a bed sheet set. Y'all, I need y'all to comment down below now, because when you're on a cruise, do not deny that that is some of the best sleep
hits different on a cruise
that you ever get
in
your life. Those beds are so comfortable and the sheets feel so plush.
Oh, yes.
And this right here, you guys, when I tell you this, we've already opened this. We've already played with it. This is so soft.
The sheets are nice and they have some weight to it.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's definitely heavy. This is a 300 thread count, 100% cotton sheets, but they're so soft. You know, when you be in the bed and you're just like in freshly washed sheets and you're just rolling around, you're like, this is so soft. These, we haven't even washed these yet, but they are so soft. The set comes with a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. But you can order pillowcases, I think, by themselves on the website.
Next thing we want to show you guys is something that you use readily and most often when you travel. This is so important because when we travel, Kyra always uses packing cubes and I never use packing cubes.
Never.
Never. Okay? And I don't just dump my stuff. I actually pack it, but I don't use packing cubes like Kyra. But with these packing cubes, I believe I can get into packing cubes.
Now, what about these makes you want to get into packing cubes?
It's Lifestyle by Norwegian.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. So I gotta get it right. All right. So it comes 3 in a pack: a large packing cube, medium-sized packing cube, and then you have your small packing cube for different things such as socks, underwear, so on and so forth.
Like Aaron said, I will not be packing without packing cubes. They're so good for organization. We do have a packing video on the way for you guys, and it's going to be so good. So stay tuned for that. And I'll probably be using some of these in that video. But the way that I like to use my packing cubes, I normally use my biggest one for my larger size clothing. If you're having long sleeves, or let's say cruising. Okay, we're going to the Caribbean in this scenario.
The beach.
So for this size, I would be packing dresses. I do like to bring like a lightweight jacket on a cruise, no matter if we're going to the Caribbean or not, because it can be cold on the cruise ship sometimes. And just my t-shirts, all my pants, like bigger things in this size. And then a smaller size like this, I would like to pack like pajamas, more casual clothes. If I packed any workout clothes, which y'all know I probably ain't got no workout clothes in my bag.
I pack a good number of workout clothes.
Yeah, but I would put that in here and just additional clothing as well. And then like Aaron said, I would use something like this for socks, underwear, swimsuits, cover-ups, smaller things like that. So these are really great sizes. If you're not on the packing cube tip yet,
Time to get organized.
Tell yourself that, Aaron.
You see, so listen, I was giving it as a PSA, and then she turned the camera on me.
He's talking about time to get. Let me
Self is trying to get. It's time to get organized.
It's time to get organized. Here you go, right here.
Okay.
This next item is actually perfect for your cruise. I know today we're talking about things that you have at home, but this is actually great for at home or for on your cruise.
It's multi-use.
Yes, so this is a wine tumbler. Of course, you don't have to just put wine in this. You can put any type of drink in this tumbler. This is a 12-ounce tumbler. You can put hot and cold drinks in here. This keeps your cold drinks cold for 24 hours, and this keeps your hot drinks hot for 8 hours.
One thing that I like about this tumbler is the bottom. It's, a great bottom, but it is a rubber non-slip bottom. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's literally rubber. So, when you set it down, you're less likely to knock it over, tip it over or whatnot. And then you have the drinking spout here with the close. You can close it so you don't have anything getting into your drink. So it's good. It's good quality, and it has the great Norwegian Cruise Line logo, as you can see.
So this next thing, I'm gonna take over for this one, okay? Because
the shade.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, honey.
No, the darkness is spreading all around.
I'm just joking. All right, so you guys, we have a Lifestyle by Norwegian baseball cap. Comment down below if Norwegian Cruise Line is your favorite cruise line. If they are your favorite, you're gonna wanna rep where you stay.
Oh yes.
Okay? You're gonna wanna rep your favorite cruise line. Whenever you go on a cruise and you're in the merchandise shops, they always have hats in there that have their logo on it. And the same thing applies here. So they have this cap online in this, of course, all white with the black logo, but they also have the all black with the white logo. Let me see if I can fit this, y'all. How does it look? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's cute.
Yeah, it looks good.
I like it. I do not normally wear white, but I have been trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit just with everything in life recently. And I think this is cute in the white. I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the video.
See, this is a good hat to buy because, especially when you're cruising, when they see that you got the lifestyle on it, I'm with Norwegian whether I'm on the water or I'm at home.
So you super loyal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So they're gonna notice that.
Yeah.
When you're on a Norwegian
cruise. Listen. It's a lifestyle. Let them know. It's a lifestyle. This is not just cruising vacation. I do this at home too.
Right. You're not new to this.
You're true to this. Okay.
Yeah.
We together. This last item is near and dear to our hearts because, as you know, AK family, Kara and I are foodies. We like to eat. We like to eat good food. Lifestyle has come up with a product where you can store your food whenever you're traveling, going to work, going to school, whatever you're doing. They have bento boxes. Bento boxes, and they come with great stuff in it, okay? So this first one, you take that, okay, you can see Norwegian Cruise Line logo. It has your eating utensils, your fork, your spoon, and your knife, of course. Can't eat without those. As you open it, it's nice size bento box. It's a matching set, and the second bento box comes with a divider that you can take out and move around depending on what you have, whether you have some sushi or you have a nice finger sandwich or you have some fruit that you want to divide and you don't want your sandwich to get wet or whatever it be, you have the capabilities of dividing it.
I really like that because people with sensory or you just picky, you just don't like your stuff touching.
Your food touching, yeah.
Comment down below if you don't like your food to touch.
No food touching.
It really doesn't bother me.
I'm an equal opportunity eater. If the food is touching, it just makes a different flavor going down.
So you won't be using this.
No.
But some people, this is a requirement.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I really like that they include that. And I like that you can customize it and choose where you want to put it. I'm going to be using this quite a bit when I'm going to work and it's time for me to have lunch, or like Aaron said earlier, if you're traveling and you just want to have some food with you on the go. When you're flying, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but when you're flying on the plane, you can bring food from home. Did you know that? You
know what? I just learned that you can go to your favorite restaurant outside of the airport and bring a full hot meal, send it on the conveyor belt, going through security checkpoint, and you can have your own meal in the airport. And we didn't know that.
I did not, I had no clue.
Yeah.
So this would actually be perfect for travel, honestly. It's the perfect size. It's not too big at all to take your meals with you.
Absolutely. And on the top here, they have an airlock where you can just open up, close, whatever it be, smell what's in there. If you've not used it in a while and you didn't clean it out last time, you're going to figure it out real quick. Okay.
And just to let you all know too, these are microwave and dishwasher safe. So you will have no problem with heating your food up or with just sticking it in the dishwasher to clean them when you're done. So that's everything that we have received from Lifestyle by Norwegian. And you guys, come on now. That's some good stuff.
Yes, it is.
It's some good stuff.
Quality stuff.
It is really high quality. I will say that they have even more than this. These are just a few items that we wanted to partner with Norwegian with to showcase to you all, but they do have more things online. So they have an accessories collection and they also have an essentials collection. The essentials collection has all of your bedding and it has all of your towels. So we showed you guys the bed sheets, and the beach towel, but they do have regular bath towels as well that you can purchase from them. And in their accessories collection, they have the packing cubes, the tumbler that we showed you, the bento box, but they also have things like a lunch tote, which looks really nice. They have a water bottle, they have a portable charger, a picture frame to put your Norwegian Cruise Line photo that you took on your cruise so you can have that memory with you at home on display, and much more available to you all online to see.
And they're offering free shipping all summer long. So if you're excited about bringing cruise comfort home, try Lifestyle by Norwegian.
And that's gonna do it for today's video, you all. We hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. But let us know if you want to see more of these. Listen, you don't even have to let us know. We got more coming.
Oh, yes.
There's more on the way. We've got more recommendations that we want to give you guys when it comes to cruising or for stuff at home too, just like this. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.